What if 3 everyday ingredients could transform your health while you sleep? Olive oil, turmeric, and black pepper. Simple, right? But when combined, they form a powerful health elixir with effects you might not expect. Imagine waking up with less inflammation, better digestion, and feeling more rested, all from a small drink before bed. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the twist. When paired with black pepper, its potency skyrockets. And olive oil? It's more than just a healthy fat. It helps your body absorb these powerful compounds, enhancing their effects. Curious? Stay with us as we dive into the science behind this powerful combination and how it can secretly transform your health while you sleep. Let's dive into the potential advantages of this mixture. Let's start with joint health. If you've ever experienced stiffness or discomfort in your joints, this combo is for you. The combination of turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that eases joint discomfort by reducing swelling. Black pepper plays an important role by boosting the body's ability to absorb curcumin from turmeric, making it more effective. But that's not all. They can also improve your sleep. Imagine waking up refreshed because this combo works overnight. Olive oil has relaxing effects, while turmeric reduces inflammation and pain, making it easier to rest comfortably. Would you try adding turmeric and olive oil to your evening routine for better rest? Type yes if you're curious to try it, or no if you're sticking to your current routine. Next is cancer protection. Curcumin found in turmeric may have anti-cancer properties according to some studies. When combined with black pepper and olive oil, the body absorbs curcumin more effectively. This enhanced absorption may help slow down cancer cell growth and reduce tumor progression, offering potential protection against cancer. If you found this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. We've got even more incredible benefits to share, so stay tuned until the end to learn how this simple combination can boost your immune system, support brain health, and more. Moving on, if you're looking to maintain youthful, glowing skin, this one is for you. Anti-aging benefits. Turmeric and olive oil are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help improve skin health. These natural ingredients work together to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. By fighting free radicals which cause skin to age, they help keep your skin looking younger. Have you noticed changes in your skin health from using natural remedies? Share your anti-aging secrets in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Next, if you're feeling bloated or uncomfortable after meals, turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper might just be the digestive support you need. Olive oil's healthy fats and turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties work together to support better digestion by easing bloating and discomfort. The healthy fats in olive oil help the digestive system function more smoothly, while turmeric calms inflammation in the gut. Adding black pepper to the mix boosts the absorption of curcumin and stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more effectively and promoting overall digestive health. Reduces inflammation. Imagine you're feeling some general discomfort or soreness after a long day. By incorporating turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil into your diet, perhaps in a salad dressing or a warm turmeric tea, you can help reduce inflammation naturally. The curcumin in turmeric specifically targets inflammation, but it's not easily absorbed by the body on its own. This is where black pepper steps in to boost absorption, while olive oil adds its own anti-inflammatory benefits through its oleic acid. Together, these ingredients work to soothe inflammation and provide relief, helping you feel better naturally. And it doesn't stop there. This powerful mix also provides antioxidant protection. Turmeric and olive oil are both packed with antioxidants that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. These harmful molecules can damage cells and lead to various health problems. By including turmeric and olive oil in your diet regularly, you help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to conditions like cancer and heart disease. Before we move on, have you subscribed yet? If not, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more health tips just like this. Now, let's get back to it. Next up, it supports brain health. Let's say you want to boost your memory and focus for the day. Adding turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil to your morning smoothie or scrambled eggs can be an easy way to support brain health. The curcumin in turmeric helps protect your brain and improve your mood, while black pepper ensures your body absorbs it effectively. Olive oil adds a dose of healthy fats, which are great for brain function. Over time, including this combination in your diet may help enhance mental clarity and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. What's your favorite brain-boosting food or activity? Share in the comments and let's create a list of the best tips together. Finally, we can't forget heart health. Imagine you regularly cook with olive oil instead of butter or other unhealthy fats. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and maintain good cholesterol, HDL, keeping your arteries clear and lowering your blood pressure. You also add turmeric to your meals, which helps reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. This combination not only keeps your blood pressure in check, but also lowers your risk of developing heart disease over time. How to prepare? To prepare this simple immune-boosting and heart-healthy mixture, combine 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, and a pinch of black pepper. You can easily add this mixture to your soups, salads, or mix it with water to drink. Incorporating this into your daily meals is an easy way to support your overall health naturally. And there you have it, a simple combination of turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper that can do wonders for your body. Whether you're looking to improve joint health, sleep better, protect your heart, or boost your immune system, these 3 everyday ingredients could be the key to unlocking better health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more natural health tips just like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Now, I want to hear from you. Which benefit are you most excited to try? Are you planning to add this mixture to your routine for better sleep, smoother digestion, or maybe for its anti-aging effects? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and let nature do the rest. See you in the next video.